attitude. You know, Princess, I'm no ordinary rabbit. No. Yo, here we go. Check it out. When I hop to the garden, they stop and stare. Plain to see that I got that flair. A little something called savoir-faire.
He's not coming here.
I dig up a tasty gourmet lunch, and I serve it on China. Cause when we're talking about food, my friend, there's nobody finer. Y'all give it up, cause I got the moves, and I got the hops. I'm telling you, look up below, cause I'm the top. I'm a blue ribbon bunny, and don't you know? A blue ribbon bunny, I'm the best in show.
He's a blue ribbon bunny.
And I'm all the rage.
A blue ribbon bunny.
When I take the stage, break it down, go Clover.
He's a pro, look at him go, stealing the show.
What other rabbit can nap all day, then polish off a whole buffet, right from the salad and the pate?
To that last
I'm
second.
King of Woods, without a doubt. There is no equal. You see me once and then you'll shout, hey, I want a sequel. Y'all give it up, cause I got the moves and I got the hops. I'm telling you, look out below.
He's the top.
I'm a blue ribbon bunny.
Don't you know?
I'm a blue ribbon bunny.
Best in show. He's a blue.
At the pet contest,
A blue ribbon bunny.
you're gonna see who's best. Blue ribbon bunny.
Don't you know?
I'm your bunny.
Ribbon bunny is the best in
Blue
show.
ribbon bunny.
At the pet contest.
You know who's the best. Me.
Okei, vabandust muusika pärast, aga head aega, kutid. I'm a blue ribbon bunny. I'm so awesome.